Hey guys, it's TheRykerDane. So I've got a brand new pool cover here that I'm finally getting on, and it's time to put on the straps. So anyway, I thought I'd make a quick video on how to put these straps in, and maybe even put a couple clips in here of putting the anchors in as well. This is a black Meyco or Meyco cover, however you want to say it, or however they want you to say it, but it's spelled M-E-Y-C-O. Meyco is how they officially say it, but a lot of people say Meyco. When you get this cover, this is how they send it. It has the straps here, and then they include the buckles right here. And then they also include these plastic sleeves on the springs themselves. Now the reason I wanted to make this video is because multiple videos I've seen on the placement of this buckle are kind of confusing. I'm gonna take my pole that you get. This is to put the strap and the spring on the anchor itself. Take that pole, mark 10 inches, also mark 20 inches. Stick that right there, and we're gonna take this buckle. So if you started with the buckle here and you put the spring on just like that and went right through, it's gonna be too short of a distance. Slide it down 10-inch mark. And then also with these plastic sleeves, you wanna make sure that the spring is not outside, because when it pulls, it's gonna be on the outside of the sleeve there. So run this through here. And now we're gonna get the top of this to the 20-inch mark, or pretty close to it, and then we'll put it through. Now we're ready to put the anchor in and attach. Okay, so I'm gonna show that again because it's always good to see it. Put this here, the 10-inch line. Now we'll take our spring, those inside, through, so you get lined up here. Then you put it through on top, touching the strap here. Then back through this. Strap through, down to the 20-inch. And there we go. So it's always good to see this just a few times, but now we are ready to go. That's how it's looped. Goes up and over the buckle and back out. You need at least 20 inches before the anchor, and probably 32 to 38 inches from the anchor to the edge of the pool. So again, we'll stick these in here. The loop goes through. Bring that up. What you can do is pinch it and hold it, just like that, and through, and back in. We're ready to go. So once you get all of these placed, you want to make sure that your lines are going to be straight. So this is how this is going to look. There's going to be an anchor right here and an anchor over here. That way that pulls straight on that line. This one pulls straight on this line. So I've got these inside 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I've got 3, actually 4 on the long ways. And as you can see, it's starting to tighten up, and just got to start working your way out so that wrinkles leave, and then it'll take a little bit of stretching and settling, and then these lines, if you do it right, should be pretty straight. Leave a comment down below if you have any other questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you later.